How to connect my LinkedIn and Claude AI 2026. 100% WORKS and easy connect LinkedIn to Claude in this video. I'm going to show you the legitimate ways to use LinkedIn with Claude AI in 2026 and explain what you can do if you don't see a direct LinkedIn connector inside Claude. First, open Claude and sign into your account. Go to Customize and then Connectors. You can also open a conversation, click the plus button, choose Connectors, and then select Manage Connectors. Claude's connector system allows supported apps and services to share authorized information with Claude. However, at the time of this guide, you should not assume that an official one-click LinkedIn connector will appear for every Claude user. So start by opening the connectors directory and search for LinkedIn. If an official or trusted compatible connector is available for your account, open it. Review exactly what information and actions it can access, select Connect or Install, and complete the authorization process. If LinkedIn isn't available there, don't enter your LinkedIn password into an unknown third-party website just to force a connection. Instead, the easiest method is to use Claude alongside LinkedIn manually. Open the LinkedIn profile, job description, post, or other information you want to work with. Copy the relevant text and provide it to Claude. For example, you could give Claude a job description and ask it to identify the most important skills. Compare those requirements with information from your resume, and help you improve your LinkedIn profile accordingly. You can also use Claude to draft LinkedIn posts, improve your About section, rewrite experience descriptions, prepare personalized networking messages, or analyze publicly available company and professional information. Another option is Claude's web search capability. When enabled, Claude can search publicly accessible information on the web. However, this is different from giving Claude authenticated access to your private LinkedIn account. For advanced users, Claude also supports custom connectors through the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. If you use a legitimate service that provides an authorized MCP connector for the information you need, you can go to Customize, Connectors, Add Custom Connector, and follow that provider's setup instructions. But be careful here. A custom connector can potentially access sensitive account information depending on the permissions you grant. Only use connectors from organizations you trust. Review the requested permissions carefully and avoid tools that ask you to bypass LinkedIn restrictions. Here's a pro tip. You often don't need to connect your entire LinkedIn account to get value from Claude. For tasks such as improving your headline, About section, resume alignment, networking messages, or job applications, providing Claude with only the specific information required for that task gives you more control over what data you share. And remember, avoid unofficial automation that scrapes LinkedIn, sends mass connection requests, or performs actions that violate LinkedIn's policies. LinkedIn can restrict accounts for inappropriate or excessive invitation activity, and that's how to use LinkedIn with Claude AI in 2026. Check Claude's connectors directory first. Use an authorized connector if one is available. Use public web information or manually supplied LinkedIn content when it isn't. And reserve custom MCP connectors for trusted services. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Claude AI integration you want me to cover next.